Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. Today I'm going to be guiding you through how to save your Viber photos and videos to gallery. First of all, launch the Viber app on your device and then from the home page, tap the More button at the bottom right corner. From the More menu, tap on Settings. Inside the Settings menu, click on Media. Now toggle on the button right next to Save to Gallery, and then after you do that, this ensures all the incoming media, that is your photos and videos, are automatically saved on your device's camera roll. If you ever want to turn it off, you can simply switch the button off, and that's how you do it. Now your Viber photos and videos will be safely stored in your phone's gallery whenever you receive a media from your contacts. So that's how you easily save Viber photos and videos to your device's gallery. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. I will see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.